Want to grow big, healthy cabbages with a faster germination method? Today, I'll show you an easy step-by-step way to pre-germinate cabbage seeds using the paper towel method and transplant them for the best harvest. We're starting from pre-germinated seeds, which helps them sprout faster and stronger before planting in soil. Let's get started. Take a clean paper towel and dampen it with water. It should be moist, but not soaking wet. First, choose high-quality cabbage seeds. Pre-germinating them speeds up sprouting and helps us select only the strongest seeds. Evenly spread the cabbage seeds across the damp paper towel, making sure they are not too close together. Now fold the paper towel over the seeds and place it inside a Ziploc bag or a small container to keep the moisture in. Keep this in a warm place, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius, like on top of your fridge or inside a cupboard. Check daily to see when the seeds start to sprout. Next, we prepare the nursery pots. Use a light, well-draining soil mix. I prefer a blend of cocoa peat and compost. Moisten the soil slightly before transplanting the seeds. Make small holes about 1 centimeter deep in each cell of the tray. This will make it easier to place the pre-germinated seeds. After 24 hours, our seeds have successfully germinated in the paper towel method, and now it's time to carefully transplant them into nursery pots. Now take your pre-germinated cabbage seeds and gently place 1 seed in each hole, with the root facing downward. Cover them lightly with soil to allow the roots to grow freely. Mist the soil with water to keep it moist, but avoid overwatering to prevent rot. Label the seedlings to identify them, track their growth, and prevent mix-ups. Place the tray in a bright spot with indirect sunlight. Cabbage seedlings grow best at 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. After 3 days, after transplanting, give your seedlings a gentle watering to settle them into their new homes. At this stage, we want to keep the soil moist, but not soggy. The soil should feel damp to the touch, but not wet and muddy. By day 5, your cabbage seedlings should begin growing stronger. They will develop small, healthy leaves and start to adjust to their new pot. By day 10, your cabbage plants will start to take off. They will grow more leaves and you'll see their roots establishing themselves deeper in the soil. After 25 days, your cabbage seedlings should be strong and ready for transplanting into larger pots or the garden. By this time, their roots will be well established and they will be looking much taller. You'll notice the leaves have become larger and greener, and the seedlings are strong enough to face their next big step. Before we move our cabbage seedlings into the larger pots, it's important to water them thoroughly in the nursery pots. This helps reduce transplant shock by ensuring the roots are well hydrated and ready for the move. It's time to transfer these beauties into big pots or your garden beds. Make sure the new pots have good drainage and are filled with fresh soil to give them enough room to continue growing. Gently remove the seedlings from the nursery pot, keeping the roots intact. Plant them at the same depth as they were and press the soil around them firmly to secure the roots. And that's how you successfully transplant your cabbage seedlings from germination to nursery pots and watch them grow strong. Daily watering is essential for keeping the soil moist. And remember, patience is key. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss an update. Let me know how your cabbage seedlings are doing, and happy gardening. Thanks for watching. God bless you.